At least many Ugandans have heard about oil, but they have heard less about the natural gas. For now, Uganda is estimated to be having 500 billion cubic feet of natural gas underground. However, the current natural gas reserves may not be sufficient to address the country's needs. Irene Batebe, the permanent secretary from the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development, says that Uganda and Tanzania are currently geared for the commencement of a visibility study for the construction of gas pipeline after signing an initial memorandum of understanding.
So as part of the in-country plans, yes, we are planning to use some of that gas from the upstream, bottled as LPG. However, in order to support this ambitious plan, we are working with the government of Tanzania to see that we can lay a pipeline that will bring natural gas from Tanzania to Uganda to do three things.
According to Batebe, the country's gas reserves are insufficient, and this pipeline from Tanzania to Uganda will increase the country's gas supply to support iron ore industry and other domestic requirements for gas.
One, to support our iron ore industry in terms of smelting, especially because today, of course, we are using coal and other options that are not very clean. So through this program, we'll be able to have clean gas to support our iron and ore industry, but also will support the domestic requirements for gas and also the industrial or commercial requirements.
What is the purpose of this gas? This gas, we plan to use it for power generation, for domestic use, LPG, and also to be used for supporting the production of oil. You know, you can pump gas. It is easier to pump gas into the ground than to pump liquid. So when you pump that gas, it will go and chase or push the other oil which is becoming stubborn out of the rock to come out.
Predominantly, gas reserves have been commercially discovered in the Albert and Graben, that's in Hoima, Chikube, Bulisa and Taroko districts.
PS indicated, oil is mixed with water with the gas. So when you start producing, gas comes out first, then you get the oil, then the water. So that is what we call associated gas. So we have 500 cubic feet estimated to be produced. Then along the way, as the volumes go down, we shall have now what we call the non-associated gas, which is about 150 billion cubic feet, which will be produced after we have produced the other which comes out first.
The MOU with Tanzania, yes, and we did highlight the function to bring in gas because they have a lot of gas, whereas Uganda is boasting of 500 billion cubic feet, Tanzania boasts of 57 trillion cubic feet, meaning that they do have a substantial amount of gas. So in this MOU, because it will be a transboundary integrated project, we did commit, number one, to put in place a joint technical committee at technical level.
The first gas commercialization is expected to happen in 2025, with production to be undertaken by joint venture partnerships between Sinok, Total Energies and others. Pedson Mumbere, Smart24 TV, Business Today.